Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to create a chips bag mockup in Photoshop. First, select the subject to isolate the bag from the background. Press Ctrl+J to copy the can to a new layer. Select the rectangular tool to draw the mockup base. Convert it to a smart object. Reduce the opacity to see the can underneath. Press Ctrl+T, then choose Warp to shape it around. Now, set the opacity back to 100%. Right-click and choose Create Clipping Mask. Double-click the Smart Object to open. Drag and drop your design into the Smart Object file. Go to File Greater than Save to apply the changes to your mockup. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the can layer. Change the blend mode to multiply for a realistic shadow effect. Reduce the opacity for a soft, natural look. Hold Alt and clip it to the design layer. Adjust the opacity for a balanced, natural finish. Adjust the opacity for a balanced, natural finish. This is the final result. Thanks for watching. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials.